Alright y'all, how you doing today? This is Hood Handyman here, coming to you with another video. I'm doing a review today on the rear view mirror smartphone mount. I really like this product. I got it from Ollie's. It was $4.99. I think it's made by Premier Mobile. I'm trying to see it through that sticker right there where it says Premier, and I'm looking at through the sticker. It says, I believe, Mobile. You can look it up online. It's a mirror grip rear view mirror smartphone mount for the rear view mirror. It has an expandable grip. It rotates. This thing is awesome. It fits very well. It says conveniently mount your smartphone to your rearview mirror. The expandable grip arms securely fasten your device even on the bumpiest roads. It enjoy hands-free conversations, CPS, and keep your device accessible and in reach while you're in your vehicle. So basically this thing does a lot of different stuff if you look at it like that. I wasn't even thinking about, talking to anyone on the phone, with your speakerphone. I was looking at it from like vlogging and YouTube and all this kind of stuff, or Instagram or whatever it is you got going on. You can actually, it's just a good place to put a camera. You don't have to worry about backdrop, because all you're looking at is your back seat, really. You don't have to worry about setting up a tripod. Nothing. Let me show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. This is the side that's going to be mounted to your rearview mirror. And these tabs, you move them in and out like this, and that's pretty much it. You just pull it back, and that's it. And they snap, and they're pretty sturdy. You move them in, and you pull them back out. Boom. Same thing here. Move in, move back out, move in, back out. And you got a second, you bear with me. I'll show you how it goes on your phone. This is my smartphone. I know it's just a smartphone. And you take these, and you can push these out. Well, excuse me, that's not how it goes. This is the smartphone part at the bottom. You can move that around and pull that out. And if you want your smartphone set up this way, you can put your smartphone there, turn it on, or you can turn it this way. Boom. And boom, and then just put it right up there and mount it right on your rearview mirror. So this is a wonderful little gadget here to have. I highly recommend it. It's sturdy. It doesn't go anywhere. I've already shot, like 1 or 2 videos with it, and I'm very happy with it. So go check it out. It's the Premier Mobile Mirror Grip Rearview Mirror Smartphone Mount. Look it up online. If you got a nearby Ollie's where you live, I highly recommend it. It's the Expand Grip series. Oops. And that's pretty much it. It's Grind Time Media. Please like and subscribe. I'm out.